Page 77, number 35, is an example of using the zero product property. We are asked to solve x times x plus 7 equals 14. So what we want to do is recognize that it is a quadratic equation. As such, we need to set it equal to 0. So I'm going to distribute the x first. So I get x squared plus 7x equals 14. Then I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides, so it equals 0. Oops. So x squared plus 7x minus 14 equals 0. Now the idea is that you want to have factors that multiply together to give you 0, and that will give you the solutions to the problem. Unfortunately, this quadratic does not factor, so we will have to use the quadratic formula. So recall that x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and the whole thing is divided by 2a. So substituting in the appropriate values, I'm going to have negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 14, and the whole thing is divided by 2. So I get x equals negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 105 divided by 2. And trying to simplify 105, I can't do that, so I am just going to leave my answer like that. So that is going to be the answer to number 35.